Welcome back to Luxury Auto Insights, your destination for the world's most exciting luxury and performance cars. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning 2026 Porsche Cayman, a sports car that continues to define what a true driver's machine should feel like. If you love precision engineering, thrilling performance, and timeless automotive design, you're going to love this one. Make sure to subscribe to Luxury Auto Insights and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury car reviews and automotive exclusives. The 2026 Porsche Cayman arrives during one of the biggest transitions in automotive history. While many manufacturers are focused entirely on electric vehicles and digital experiences, Porsche continues to preserve the emotional connection between driver and machine. And the Cayman remains one of the purest expressions of that philosophy. At first glance, the new Cayman looks familiar, but Porsche has carefully refined almost every detail. The design is sharper, lower, and more aerodynamic than ever before. The front fascia now features redesigned air intakes that improve cooling while enhancing the aggressive stance of the car. Slimmer LED matrix headlights give the Cayman a futuristic appearance while maintaining its unmistakable Porsche identity. The side profile remains beautifully balanced thanks to the legendary mid-engine layout. This is one of the reasons enthusiasts adore the Cayman. The proportions are nearly perfect. Short overhangs, sculpted body lines, and wide rear haunches give the car an athletic look from every angle. At the rear, Porsche introduces a continuous LED light bar that stretches across the width of the vehicle, inspired by the latest generation of Porsche performance models. The rear diffuser is more functional than before, helping improve aerodynamic stability at high speeds. But the real story begins once you step inside. The interior of the 2026 Cayman blends luxury, technology, and performance-focused design into one incredibly refined package. Porsche has modernized the cabin without losing the driver-focused layout that makes the Cayman special. The digital instrument cluster now offers multiple customizable display modes, including classic Porsche-inspired gauges, track telemetry, navigation, and performance data. The infotainment system has also been upgraded with faster processing, sharper graphics, and improved voice control functionality. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while over-the-air software updates ensure the system remains current and responsive. Porsche has also improved cabin materials for 2026. Soft leather surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, Alcantara trim, and optional carbon fiber details create an interior that feels both sporty and luxurious at the same time. The seats deserve special attention because they perfectly capture what the Cayman is all about. They provide excellent support during aggressive driving but remain comfortable enough for long-distance road trips. This dual personality is one of the Cayman's greatest strengths. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Cayman truly shines. The 2026 Cayman continues to use Porsche's mid-engine platform, delivering near-perfect balance and handling characteristics that few sports cars can match. Depending on the trim level, the Cayman lineup offers different power outputs, but even the standard model feels incredibly responsive and engaging. The base Cayman is expected to feature a turbocharged flat-4 engine producing around 320 horsepower, while higher trims offer significantly more power. Acceleration is rapid, with 0 to 60 happening in just over 4 seconds depending on configuration. But numbers alone never tell the full story of a Porsche. What makes the Cayman special is the way it feels on the road. The steering is precise, direct, and full of feedback. Every movement of the wheel translates instantly into the car's behavior. The suspension strikes a near-perfect balance between comfort and performance, making the Cayman equally enjoyable on city streets, winding mountain roads, and race tracks. Porsche has also improved chassis rigidity for 2026, giving the car even sharper handling dynamics without sacrificing ride quality. Combined with adaptive suspension technology, the Cayman feels incredibly composed at all speeds. One of the biggest highlights of the new Cayman is the revised exhaust system. Porsche engineers have tuned the sound to create a deeper, more aggressive tone while still maintaining the refined character expected from the brand. In sport mode, the exhaust becomes louder and more emotional. Upshifts feel crisp, downshifts produce satisfying crackles, and the engine note builds beautifully as the revs climb higher. For driving enthusiasts, this is exactly what a sports car should sound like. Porsche also continues to offer its legendary PDK dual-clutch transmission, which remains one of the fastest and smoothest gearboxes in the world. Gear changes happen almost instantly, making acceleration feel seamless and explosive. And for purists, Porsche may still offer a manual transmission option depending on the trim and market. In an era where manuals are disappearing rapidly, that alone makes the Cayman even more special. Another major focus for 2026 is efficiency and sustainability. Porsche has integrated mild hybrid technology into parts of the lineup to improve fuel economy and throttle response. This system provides instant torque assistance during acceleration while helping reduce emissions. What's impressive is how seamlessly the technology works. The Cayman still feels like a traditional Porsche sports car, but now benefits from modern efficiency improvements behind the scenes. Technology upgrades extend beyond performance too. The Cayman now includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, and emergency braking technology. Thankfully, Porsche has calibrated these systems carefully so they never interfere with the driving experience. The driver remains fully in control at all times. Another reason people love the Cayman is practicality. Unlike many exotic sports cars, the Cayman can genuinely function as a daily driver. Thanks to the mid-engine layout, there's cargo space in both the front and rear of the car, making it surprisingly useful for weekend trips and everyday errands. Fuel efficiency is respectable, visibility is good, and the compact dimensions make the Cayman easy to drive in urban environments. This balance between usability and excitement is something Porsche has mastered over decades. Now let's discuss the competition. The 2026 Cayman competes against vehicles like the BMW M2, Toyota Supra, Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, and Lotus Emira. Each rival offers something unique. The Corvette delivers massive V8 power. The Supra focuses on tuning potential and aggressive styling. The BMW M2 blends performance with practicality. And the Lotus Emira brings exotic design and ultra-sharp handling. But the Cayman occupies a unique position between all of them. It combines luxury, balance, performance, quality, and everyday usability better than almost any sports car in its class. That's why many enthusiasts consider the Cayman the perfect sports car. Pricing for the 2026 Cayman is expected to start around $70,000 for entry-level trims, with higher performance variants climbing significantly higher depending on options. And with Porsche, options matter. Buyers can customize nearly every aspect of the vehicle through Porsche exclusive manufacture. Custom paint colors, upgraded interior materials, carbon fiber packages, wheel designs, performance seats, brake upgrades, and countless personalization choices allow owners to create a Cayman that feels uniquely their own. One particularly exciting addition for 2026 is the expanded performance package lineup. Optional track-focused packages include lighter wheels, upgraded aerodynamics, stiffer suspension calibration, and enhanced braking systems designed for serious enthusiasts. For those who prioritize comfort, luxury-focused packages add premium audio systems, ventilated seats, advanced ambient lighting, and additional driver assistance technology. This flexibility allows the Cayman to appeal to a wide range of drivers. But perhaps the most important thing about the 2026 Cayman is what it represents. In a world where many modern vehicles feel disconnected and overly digital, the Cayman continues to celebrate driving itself. It's a car designed for people who genuinely love being behind the wheel. Every corner feels engaging. Every acceleration feels rewarding. Every drive feels special. That emotional connection is becoming increasingly rare in the automotive industry, and Porsche understands how valuable it truly is. There's also growing speculation that this generation of Cayman could be among the last fully combustion-focused versions before Porsche transitions further into electrification. If that turns out to be true, the 2026 Cayman may eventually become one of the most important sports cars of its era. It captures everything enthusiasts love about traditional Porsche engineering while embracing enough modern technology to remain relevant for the future. The result is a sports car that feels timeless. Whether you're taking it to a racetrack, enjoying a weekend canyon drive, or simply commuting through the city, the Cayman transforms ordinary driving into something memorable. That's the magic of Porsche. The Cayman doesn't need outrageous horsepower figures or dramatic styling tricks to impress people. Its brilliance comes from precision, balance, and refinement. It's a sports car engineered with passion and purpose. And once you experience it, you immediately understand why the Cayman has earned such a loyal following around the world. The 2026 Porsche Cayman proves that true sports cars are still alive and thriving. It blends modern technology with classic driving excitement in a way few manufacturers can replicate. It's elegant without feeling soft, aggressive without being overwhelming, luxurious without sacrificing performance, and most importantly, it remains one of the most rewarding driver-focused cars on the market today. Thank you for watching Luxury Auto Insights. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Porsche Cayman, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Comment below and tell us your thoughts. Would you choose the Cayman over the 911, Corvette, or Supra? Until next time, stay passionate, stay inspired, and keep exploring the world of luxury and performance automobiles here on Luxury Auto Insights.